Okay, a quick change up to show you that you can still utilize these watertight connectors with the pre-made cable. This is how the cable looks as you get it from the reel. You'll see here I've modified. I've had to cut away this portion, and I've also had to take a razor and clean these edges up so that they're rounded. I've also had to cut this in half so that it can be slipped over the cable. But again, your installation order, you put the rear piece on first, slip this around the cable, and this is the reason why we had to cut so much of this cable off, because it is shaped just like the RJ45 connector. It's a bit of a pain in the tail, but it can be done. And all that's squeezed into place like so. And again, rubber O-ring, make the connection, smush all that in place and tighten down. Same thing here. And we now have a good watertight connection around our pre-made cable. If you have any questions on this topic, you can always give us a call, but this is honestly one that's easier to just show than to explain.